Hello students, today I am going to take a new chapter from 8th chemistry, combustion and flame. Okay, first of all, what is meant by fuel? Substances which provide energy, on burning in air are called fuels. Okay, fuels give a tremendous amount of energy, large amount of energy by burning in air or by the reaction with oxygen in the air. And yes, the important types of fuel. Okay, number one, solid fuel. Example, wood, coal, charcoal, etc. Second type of fuel is liquid fuel. Example, kerosene, petrol and diesel. And the third type fuel is gaseous fuel. Okay, example CNG. CNG means compressed natural gas, and LPG. LPG means liquefied petroleum gas and coal gas. These are the examples for gaseous fuel. Okay, then on the basis of the physical state, the fuels can be classified into three types: solid fuel, liquid fuel, and gaseous fuel. Okay. Then, anyway, we know the fuels undergo combustion. Okay, what is meant by combustion? Combustion is a chemical process in which substance reacts with oxygen to give heat or sometimes light. Yes, either as a flame or as a glow. Okay, then yes, combustion means what? Combustion is a chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen to give heat, yes, light, etc. Then what is meant by ignition temperature of a substance? Ignition temperature means what? It is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. Okay, ignition temperature is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. Then very, very important point, a substance cannot catch fire or burn as long as its temperature is lower than the ignition temperature. When the temperature of that substance is lower than the ignition temperature, the substance cannot catch fire. Okay, then what is meant by ignition temperature? Very, very important term. Okay, it is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. Okay, next, yes, types of combustion. We can classify the combustion into three types. The first one is rapid combustion, the second one is spontaneous combustion, and the third one is explosion. What is meant by rapid combustion? When combustion occurs rapidly or immediately by applying a flame, such as burning of LPG gas in kitchen stove, okay, is known as rapid combustion. Okay, where combustion occurs rapidly by applying a flame is called rapid combustion. Okay, then the second one is spontaneous combustion. The combustion at which material suddenly burns into a flame. Okay, the combustion in which a material suddenly burns into flame without the application of any apparent cause. Okay, this type of combustion is called spontaneous combustion. Example, burning of white phosphorus at room temperature, okay, without the effort of burning in it. Okay, burning of white phosphorus at room temperature without the effect of burning it Yes, it's an example for spontaneous combustion. And the third type combustion is explosion. What is meant by explosion? Yes, when ignition of a substance such as cracker, a sudden reaction takes place with the release of heat, light and evolution of large amount of gas takes place. Yes, such a combustion is called explosion. Okay, when ignition of a substance such as cracker, okay, a sudden reaction takes place with the release of heat, light and yes, it may be release of large amount of gas. Okay, such type of combustion is called explosion. Next topic, structure of a flame. Substances which form vapor during heating burn with a flame. A flame is a region where combustion of gaseous substance or vapor takes place. What is meant by flame? A flame is a region where combustion of gaseous substances or vapor takes place. And the flame has three distinct zones. The three important zones of a flame. The first one is yes, black zone. This zone is called black zone. It is the innermost zone of unburned vapors. Okay, the innermost zone of the flame is called black zone. Okay, next zone is bright and luminous yellow zone. Okay, bright and luminous yellow zone. It is the middle zone, okay, of yes, of partial combustion. It is the middle zone of partial combustion. Okay, bright and luminous yellow zone. Yes, this middle zone. It is the middle zone of partial combustion. And the third zone is a blue zone. Okay, it is the outer zone of complete combustion. Blue zone is the outer zone of complete combustion. Okay, it is the hottest and non-luminous. Okay, then the black zone is least hot, middle zone is moderately hot, and the outer zone, okay, that blue zone is the hottest part of a flame, the hottest part of a flame. Okay. Yes. Then next topic, factors which help combustion. Okay, the first factor is combustible substance, and second factor is oxygen, and the third factor is surface area of combustible substance. Okay, larger the surface area, more is its rate of combustion. When the surface area of a combustible substance increases, its rate of combustion also increases. That is why a block of wood or a log does not burn easily. Okay, on splitting the block of wood, the pieces gives large surface area. Okay, so the combustion of the substance becomes very easier. Okay, next topic, ideal fuel. What is meant by ideal fuel? An ideal or a good fuel is one which is readily available, and the second point, it burns easily in air at a moderate rate. It burns easily in air at a moderate rate. And third point, it does not leave any undesirable substance. Okay. There is probably no fuel could be considered as ideal fuel. Okay, then what is meant by calorific value of a fuel? Very, very important term, calorific value of a fuel. The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of a fuel is called its calorific value. The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kilogram of a fuel is called its calorific value. Okay, the calorific value of a fuel is expressed, expressed in a unit known as kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, its unit is kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, students. Okay. Goodbye. Study well.